he go?
He's here. Oh, it's injured.
Oh, it's hurt?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, get him, get him. Get him. He's not gonna bite you. What do you do with him?
I don't know.
No, Jacob.
Hey, fellas. I've got that bird. Yeah. It's injured.
Look, hi, little fella. Hello.
Yeah. It's only a baby. It's broken its wing, so he can't fly very well. He was in the corner,
And he
then
flew
he
over
just
here?
floating. He was on the floor, and then he was on here.
It went straight into the corner as well.
Yeah.
But it tried to land right there and it fell.
Yeah. It's only a little baby.
What do you do?
Straight into the coat.
You're its mom now.
I know. Take it home.
Yeah, 'cause
Who I guessed?
Take it outside.
well, thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.